Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MissFlips. If you guys notice, things have gotten a little different. I am in my new room in my new house. If you guys remember from prior videos, we have been on the lookout for a house and we, got one. We are in the middle of painting the entire house. We decided to paint our bedroom first so that we could get moved in and have somewhere to sleep while we work on the rest of the house. Yesterday, we spent the entire day moving so much furniture, but I cannot wait to show you guys this transformation. It has been awesome so far. So if you guys want to stay tuned and see how a furniture flipper furnishes their house, please make sure to like and subscribe and do all those things so that you can stay posted. I have so many videos coming up to help you guys furnish your homes on the cheap while still ending up with a really cool high-end look. But more of that later, because today we have something special which I have never done before, and that is a $100 challenge. So me and a bunch of other YouTubers got together to do this $100 challenge, and what that is we have to flip a piece of furniture for under $100. So that includes the price of the piece, the materials that we use, so anything like hardware, paint, primer, wax, top coat, whatever we use on the piece goes towards that $100 budget. And there are no winners or losers, but we just decided to come together and try to do this challenge together because we thought it would be really fun. And if you guys are interested in looking at the other YouTubers' videos, I have all of their videos linked in the description below, and I also have a playlist on my page dedicated to this $100 challenge. So all of their videos are going to be right there for the viewing. So for my piece, I decided to take this guy, this mid-century modern Tallboy dresser, and turn him into this gal. All right, you guys want to see how I did this? Let's get flipping. So the first thing I like to do when preparing the piece is just to do a once over and really get a good look at all of the things that you need to repair. And then once you're done with that and you feel like you have a good sense of what you need to fix, then you can get started on removing all of your hardware and get to cleaning. For cleaning this piece, I actually decided to go with my homemade degreaser formula, and all that is a little bit of white vinegar as well as baking soda and hot water. And this works really well as a nice natural organic cleaner versus your store-bought chemicals and all that sort of stuff. This was my first time using this organic formula, and it actually works really well, even for getting the goo that's left behind from stickers and all that sort of stuff. So for the paint, I was originally supposed to get this color, which is plum, but I bought it from Walmart and I've gotten a couple of things from there, and sometimes they seem to mix up your order, so I think I ended up with the color Cerise or something from Retique, and it's a chalk paint, so I didn't need primer to go on first, so I just went with it. I didn't really have time to, return the paint and get another color, So I just went with the color that they sent me and made the best of it. So anyways, here we are painting. And yes, I am trying to paint a circle. I think this circle actually might very well be my proudest achievement in my furniture flipping career.
And for cleaning the hardware, I'm doing the usual vinegar and hot water bath for these lovely pieces, and then giving them a good scrub with a really fine steel wool. So there was a missing drawer pull on one of these bottom drawers, so I just decided to get new hardware for the top two doors and replace the missing piece of hardware with one of the ones from the doors. So as I said in the beginning, I was moving, so I was doing so many things at once, trying to finish this piece while also trying to get stuff ready to move. So I was doing this pretty late at night. I highly recommend doing this stuff in the daytime so you can guarantee really perfect work. But hey, I was working with what I had, and I think I did a pretty good job. So if you guys are going to go and use the gold detailed paint that I suggest in the description below, I would highly, highly, highly recommend you do not use an oil-based top coat. Otherwise, it is going to smear everywhere, and I did this, and my god, I had to go in and do so many little touch-ups. It was so annoying, so just make sure you save yourself some time and get a water-based top coat.
Alright guys, so that is the final product. And so, with that being said, let's talk numbers. So here is the list of all of the products that I used. So if we're talking just flat rate what I spent on this piece, I did go over a little bit, but also I didn't use all of these materials. So I still have some leftover paint, some leftover top coat. I didn't use all of the hardware pieces that I got. I only used 2 of them. So I can start reducing those numbers a little bit because I didn't use them all on this piece. But when it comes to brushes, all that sort of stuff, I'm including all the price. And if you see, I came in just barely under $100. Barely. I'll tell you what, man, furniture flipping and moving is a lot. It's a lot. It's been a really long, tiring experience. I had to rush a lot. There was little minor mistakes that I made here and there, as I mentioned in the video, that just, gosh, I probably wouldn't have made them if I was dedicating my time solely to the piece and not doing a million other things for the house, but you know, comes with the territory, I suppose. But I'm really proud of this piece. I like the way that it turned out. I'm pumped that I, you know, was able to get in under that $100. Also, make sure to go check out the other people's videos. They do such an amazing job, these guys. They're so talented. And it's been an awesome pleasure getting to know kind of each one of them because we've been in a little group chat. So little tips here and there. They're so helpful. Just awesome people all around. So please make sure to go check out their videos and Instagrams and all that good stuff. But yeah, anyways, make sure to stay tuned for more of this. All right, guys, stay flippin'.